Hi all, I am Rintusha VP, Assistant Professor and Head PG Department of General Biotechnology. And this video, which is dealing with the topic biotechnology. So when a student has entered into a program, biotechnology, there are lots of doubt regarding that. So all the doubts which having a solution by this video. So what is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a gateway to the science of life. So there are loads of doubts which regarding biotechnology. What is it? What it means? What are the scopes of biotechnology? So let's see here. So here there are few doubts by a student which is always asking after entering into a program. So what is biotechnology? What is the scope of biotechnology? Ma'am, which are the core areas which related to biotechnology? Why, ma'am, we are studying this paper with this program, biotechnology? And also they are asking about the scope and they are asking about the application. Both are different. And also career opportunities. Every student, they are entering to a program which is focused on their career. So what are the career opportunities which related to biotechnology? And essential lab techniques you will learn during the time of biotechnology. It is very important. And as we know, we are entering to a FAUGP program. So FAUGP is a 4-year program. So first 3 years is very important. So what we learn in their first 3 years, and also why we are preferring GEMS Arts and Science College for biotechnology. Have a clear answer for that, and the fun facts related to biotechnology, and stay curious regarding biotechnology. So these are the area which is covering through our video. So here we have a clear definition for biotechnology. Biotechnology is a use of biological system, organism or derivative to develop or to create products for the benefit of human and to the environment. So I can tell a very simple definition for that. In our home, we have milk that is converted into curd, then into ghee, which is turned into butter. So all these are related to biotechnology. These all are the high product formations in the biotechnology. That's why the definition is likewise biotechnology is a use of biological system, organism or derivatives to develop or to create products for the benefit of human and the environment. So scope of biotechnology, it's very important. When a student entering into a program, they're always asking about their future. So biotechnology having endless future, I can say. Biotechnology is a science of future. So I can conclude all the scopes into 4 different category. I couldn't say these are the only scope of biotechnology. I just for a single slide I have to complete this. That's why I have added healthcare industry, agricultural industry, in different industrial areas, and also environment which having a greater scope in biotechnology. So what is in healthcare? With a few examples, we can explain what is in healthcare for biotechnology. Vaccines, gene therapy, all are coming under healthcare. And also agriculture, genetically modified crops. As we know, there is genetically modified crops you can study in your +2. Genetically modified crops are producing flavor saver tomato, BT brinjal. There are lots of examples you are learning in your +2. And also there are lots of biofertilizers which is producing. And industrial which means enzymes, fermentation. There are lots of examples we can say in the scope of biotechnology. And also in environmental area, what actually we are learning, and bioremediation, waste treatment, all are the examples which have the scope of environmental area. That's why I can conclude that biotechnology is a science of future. So what are the core areas of biotechnology we are learning? So when we started learning with biotechnology, our world is built on biology. And once we begin to understand it, it then becomes technology. So what are the core areas which learn in biotechnology for your first 3 years? That is, you can learn about molecular biology, genetics, genomics, and also microbiology, biochemistry, bioinformatics, cell and tissue culture, bioprocess technology, immunotechnology. There are lots all the life science branches which is concluded in this paper, biotechnology. So why we are learning biotechnology? So and in previous slide we are already understand that these are the core areas of biotechnology. That's why we are telling biotechnology is an interdisciplinary science, and also there is a high impact on health, food, and sustainability. Health industry, food industry, and also sustainability, we having high impact for biotechnology. And also biotechnology which is dealing with research, innovation, and there are many different opportunities related that. And also there is high employability rate after learning biotechnology as a degree or a PG, and which can the employability it is focused on pharma industry, agri industry, healthcare sectors, etc. And we know the scope of biotechnology, which is categorized into four areas, and also application. Also, we can dealing in that four areas. That is medical, agriculture, industrial, and environment. So, scope we have already discussed about the healthcare industry. So, in the medical field, what we can apply. Okay, the scope is different and application is different. What we can apply, what are the application we can already have in medical industry? I can discuss about very few examples. Okay, one is insulin production. There is lots of industries which have focusing on insulin production. Cancer research, that is a most important part of biotechnology in medical sector. And also in the agriculture industry, we can produce drought resistant crops, insect resistant crops, pesticide. And also there are lots of identification which is related to agricultural industry. And also in industrial basis, we can deal with bioethanol production. It's a simple example. After plus 2 you can learn all the simple examples. Okay, and environment industry, that is oil spill cleanup by using microbes. There are lots of examples you can learn, you can apply in biotechnology. And what are the career opportunities? What are the career we can choose after biotechnology? And again, the career which is after biotechnology is endless. And from this slide, I can just enter a few points regarding career opportunities. That is research scientist, clinical lab technologies, biotechnology entrepreneur, pharmaceutical industry, regulatory affairs, teaching and academia. So these are the few career opportunities you can enter after biotechnology. So what will you learn after first 3 years? The first 3 years, year one, it is based on basic biology, chemistry, lab skill, all that can be entered in the year first. Just you can enter into a course of biotechnology. And in the year two, which is a basic molecular biology, biochemistry, cell biology, microbiology, biostatistic, immunology, all those papers you can learn in year two. In year three, you can enter into applied science. Applied science in the sense you can enter into genetic engineering, bioinformatics, etc. So, as a biotechnologist, you should always stay curious. Biotechnology that holds a key to solving the biggest global challenges. And here, the most important question is biotechnology at GEMS. Why you have to prefer? Why GEMS is the best option for biotechnology? As an autonomous institution, our BSc Biotechnology program is designed and alignment with the latest industrial trends and research development. And also we having high experienced faculty and also research mentorship. We are offering research mentorship. You just can enter for a program and after degree leave it. Is not a focused pattern for GEMS Arts and Science College. After a student receive mentorship, the student can publish their papers. They can publish their patterns. Lots of our students they are doing that, and also innovative subject student projects. And by the highlight of our department, the next highlight of our department of our GEMS Arts and Science College, it is well equipped laboratory. You have a well-equipped laboratory in your department with advanced instrumentation for microbiology, cell culture, molecular biology, and plant tissue culture, offering students strong hands-on training. And the research and innovation and biotechnology department, that is biotechnology at GEMS, is not just about theory. Our department encourages research right from the undergraduate level, with students presenting at national conferences, publishing in journals. The students are filing their patents. The opportunities are endless at GEMS Arts and Science College. And the healthcare product development, we are introducing healthcare products development for our students. As a uniqueness of our department, it is active involvement in the development of healthcare products by our students under the guidance of our faculties, providing a bridge between classroom science and real world application. The medicinal garden of our department is an example for sustainable learning. We maintain a medicinal garden to educate our students on the ethnobotanical and pharmacological value of plants, a perfect blend in tradition and biotechnology. A career oriented training we are offering in our department. We are offering workshops, hands on training, skill based program, and different biotech industries. We are entering into research, biotechnology labs, and higher education in India and abroad. And our students consistently securing university rank and excellent academic results and reflecting the quality of teaching and learning practices. And also, our biotechnology department at GEMS Arts and Science College as a placement and higher study support. We are providing placement and higher study support. Dedicated career guidance helps students tradition transition into biotechnology career, research, fellowship, or postgraduate studies at reputed institutions. And our college and our department has a NAC driven quality and values. GEMS Arts and Science College follows a NAC guided framework for outcome based education, innovation, and social impact, making our degree valuable and recognized. So, hope you solve all the doubts regarding biotechnology. So, let's enjoy biotechnology. Thank you.